Hi guys, again, this is your channel Stat and Math Tutorial in another video. Today I will show you how to do Poisson distribution using StatCrunch. So I will go first on the definition of Poisson distribution. Then I will do a couple examples to better understand this topic. So let's start. So what is Poisson distribution? So in statistics, a Poisson distribution is a probability distribution that can be used to show how many times an event is likely to occur within a specified period of time. For example, the number of birds per hour during a given day, or the number of cases of a certain disease in a different countries, and so forth. So this is the definition of Poisson distribution. Now let's look at these two examples and see how we can use StatCrunch to answer a few questions. So the first example here, let me move. So the first example here is births in hospital occur randomly at an average rate of 1.7 births per hour. So what is the probability of observing 4 births in a given hour at the hospital? So here the average rate 1.7 is the mean, or it's also called the parameter of Poisson distribution. So it's 1.7. So let's go to StatCrunch here and try to answer the first question here. So we go to we go to calculator, all the way down here to Poisson. And let's move this here a little bit. So the mean is the rate of birth, and we are told it's 1.7. And exactly 4 births in a given day, so exactly is the same as equal sign, and put 4 here and compute. So here you go, the probability of observing 4 birds in a given day, it's 0.06357 and so forth. So let's see what we can do for the next question here. And it says, what about the probability of observing more than or equal to 3 birds in a given hour at the hospital? So we go again to StatCrunch here, and we can start over, or we just go here and make this 3, and it says more than or equal to 3. So more than or equal to 3. So it's about 24%. So here you can, depend on the question, you have like five options: less or equal, greater or equal, less than, greater than, and equal sign, which is exactly. So now let's finish the first example here. So what is the probability that we observe 5 birds in a given 2 hours interval? So here the parameter of this Poisson distribution is 1.7 birds per hour. But the question here is in 2 hours interval. So this is the property of adding the mean or the parameter of Poisson distribution. So if the rate is 1.7 birds per hour, so in 2 hours the rate will be 3.4. So 1.7 plus 1.7 or 1.7 times 2, which is 3.4. So now we go to StatCrunch again. We will change the mean to 3.4 because we have 2 hours interval, and here we do exactly 5. There you go. So it's about 22% a chance that exactly 5 births will happen in 2 hours. And now let's go to the last example here. Last example here. So the average number of homes sold by certain company, I just made up this name, XXX company, is 2 homes per day. So what is the probability that exactly 3 homes will be sold tomorrow? So same thing, we go to StatCrunch, and the company sold an average of 2 homes per day. So that's the mean or the parameter of Poisson distribution. And what is the probability that the company will sell exactly 3 homes tomorrow? So it's the probability of X equal 3 and compute. So here you go. So it's 18% chance that the company will be selling 3 homes tomorrow. So this is how you use StatCrunch to answer questions related to Poisson distribution. And it's worth mentioning that you can do standard, like what I did here, or you can do between. So like, what is the probability that that company will be selling between I don't know, 3 homes and 5 homes tomorrow? So you can do between 3 here, 5 here, and hit compute. So it's about 31% chance that the company will be selling between 3 and 5 homes tomorrow. So I hope you find this video very handy to understand Poisson distribution and how to do and use StatCrunch to answer questions related to this probability distribution. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video with a new topic.